Hello guys, welcome to Technical Geek. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how can we extract or scrap email ID from Google. Before starting our video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you also you can also read my blog which is given in the description box. So let's start. Simply open the Google Chrome browser and type United Kingdom. If you are searching for doctor's email ID in United Kingdom, simply type United Kingdom, then doctor's clinics close @gmail.com and click on search. Then simply go to settings and click on see all settings. Then you can see here the result is only 10, so we have to increase it up to 100 so that we can get the result up to 100. So simply select your region setting and click on United Kingdom, save. OK. Now I'm not a robot. Then again search for it, simply select all, Ctrl+C for copy, then open a new tab and search light14.us. then you can get this website. Then simply click on it and click on here, then paste here. Then simply in separation we have to select new line, then simply click on extract. Then you can get the email IDs of the doctors in United States. Simply in this way you can also get email IDs from Gmail, yahoo.com. Okay, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+B, extract. So simply you can get email IDs from yahoo.com also. So in this way we can easily extract Gmail ID, Yahoo ID, and all those email IDs which we are needed. Simply you can scrap by just following these simple those files. So this much for today. See you in the next videos.